It's easy to get the wind behind your back in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where groundbreaking ideas and smart solutions come to life in the hands of innovative creators such as PIPISTREL, the world's leading motor glider aircraft designer and producer, who blazed the trail in the field of alternative and microlight flying. Today, PIPISTREL is a pioneer of high-end technology in light aviation, perfecting revolutionary concepts such as electric flight and pursuing extreme aero efficiency.
At PIPISTREL, we want to shape the future of aviation with personalized, safe, and environmentally friendly solutions that are affordable for all. Although more than 1,000 of our planes are flying in over 100 countries around the world, all of the integrated components are made at home in Slovenia.
Innovative vision has led PIPISTREL to become a 12-time world record holder, the inventor of the first and only 4-seat electric aircraft in the world, manufacturer of pilotless planes and training aircraft, and the winner of 3 NASA Aviation Challenges. With smart solutions, such as the first practical all-electric trainer, it paved the way toward a greener future of aviation with less noise and zero emissions. By being green, creative, and smart, PIPISTREL is an example of the ever-growing Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Take flight in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.